Hello. So today we are going to discuss about a course or a certification which helps you into the uh, field of bug bounty hunting. Okay, one second. This is APA Sec University, which provide free training on API testing, API security testing. Okay, so you have to sign up there, and you will get APA pen testing course. It's advanced level, you can go with this. Okay, there are some foundational course also, you can watch it, but I'll prefer this one, API pen testing advanced level. Okay, so API testing involves the testing of the application program interface, that is APIs, directly without the need of the user interface. It's a crucial in bug bounty hunting program because APIs often represent the backbone of web and mobile application. And vulnerabilities in API can lead to serious security issues such as data breaches, unauthorized access, and so on. By thoroughly testing the APIs, the bug bounty hunters can uncover the vulnerability that could exploit by attackers, um, helping the companies to improve their security postures and protect their users' data. There are so many examples for API vulnerability that bug bounty hunters might look for. For example, injection attack. Just like this web form, API can be vulnerable to injection attack to such as the SQL injection or NoSQL injection if proper input validation and sanitization are not implemented. And also in the authentication flows or sensitive data exposure, broken access control, cross-site scripting, even broken function level of the authorization. The API may have different level of access for different types of users, and if these access control are not properly enforced, it can lead to privilege escalation also. So API pen testing is very important as a bug bounty hunter. It will leads you to, one second. Okay, so it will leads you to P1 vulnerabilities also. I hope you understood the concept of API pen testing and the importance of a API pen testing for a bug bounty hunter. Okay, sorry. So, um, today will be our day 22 of this course. This course is not only focusing on the bug or bug bounty hunting, it will also improve your skills in offensive side. So you have to complete this course within 3 to 5 days. You have to take your own time, but you have to complete this course. Okay. So day 22 I think is this. Let me check. This will be our day 22 or 23. One second. Okay, this is day 23. So you have to complete this APSA course for yeah, I'll give you 3 days or 5 days, 3 to 5 days. Okay, so our class will finish on day 25 itself. After that, you can complete this course for 5 days. Okay, thank you.